Earlier, I posted the return of hummingbirds nesting with a short pantomime of Momma Hummingbird. I originally planned to make a live stream stakeout of the hummingbird on its nest and eventually scrapped the idea. So what I did was recorded a 9-hour uninterrupted video of the bird on its nest. I originally planned to make a live stream stakeout of the hummingbird on its nest and eventually scrapped the idea. So what I did was recorded a 9-hour uninterrupted video of the bird on its nest. I was glad I did that, and the very long video gave me a good insight of Momma Hummingbird's habit of coming out, leaving its nest and returning. I just assumed the tiny bird's frequent flying were to get nourishment and pick here and there some spider web to strengthen her nest. The 9-hour video revealed it would leave the nest in an interval that ranges between 10 minutes, which is the shortest, to 30 minutes. And when she leaves, she's out for about 1 minute, the shortest, to 10 minutes. The clips were edited to show my favorite selected events when the bird was going out or leaving the nest and then returning afterwards. Information, it gave me an idea that I only have a minimum of all of 1 minute for my disposal to mount the camera from the window, which was 3 meters apart from the twig where the hummingbird's nest was attached, and capture a footage. It was cramping my style and choice actually. I used a GoPro camera which was filming the moment I extend it out of the window. I made 3 attempts, making sure the spying operation will last no more than 1 minute, and I was very careful not to disturb the small twig where the nest was attached. There was one instance where I was just putting away the camera when Momma Hummingbird was all ready to land on the nest. While I did not get the perfect footage the way I wanted it to be, still I considered it a success, and I got to find out the Momma Hummingbird has 2 eggs.